Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a VW Passat fog light. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. It's also a good idea to consult your owner's manual for any specific instructions related to your Passat model, as designs can vary slightly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the fog light. Depending on your VW Passat model, you'll typically find an access panel or a grille section directly in front of or below the fog light. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove any retaining screws or clips holding this cover in place. Once the fasteners are removed, gently pry open the cover. This will reveal the fog light assembly, allowing you to proceed with the bulb replacement. With the assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling. Next, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the socket. Insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated correctly and firmly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place for a secure connection. You're almost done. Carefully reattach the fog light cover or grille, ensuring all retaining screws or clips are securely fastened. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. Once reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. This final check ensures your repair is successful and safe for driving. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.